Hey guys, this is your girl Whitney and I'm coming at you today to talk about this beautiful straight Amazon wig that I bought and that I crimped. If you're interested in how I did it, stay tuned. Okay, so I got this Amazon wig from obviously Amazon. It came straight. I'm going to show you the next couple clips how it looked originally before I started to curl it. I used a crimper here that I had at my house to get the wig to curl. It is 100% synthetic, so I took a chance at actually crimping this wig and I was super scared, so I did test the strip first. As you can see, it's super long. It's got the piano highlighted look. Everyone's doing this look. And on this side, I did a test. So I crimped it just to see what will happen if I crimp the wig. So let's get started and talk about exactly where I bought it and who I got it from. So this wig actually came from Amazon from a seller called Vigorous Wigs. You can find them on Instagram at Vigorous Wigs. As you can see here, they send you a little pamphlet in the inside, kind of talking about their business and their company. And this is the crimper. It's the Bedhead Wave Artist crimper that I used, and it doesn't have a temperature control setting on it, so that's why I was scared to test it. So, use it, I should say. So I tested it first before I used it on the wig, and it came out really, really good. So I went ahead and decided to go ahead and crimp this whole wig and see how it would turn out from being straight to crimp. And as you can see here, like I said, it's super long. It's very soft. It's very shiny. It's very flowy. It turns, it's so heavy. I really didn't think it was synthetic at first, but it is. It's a very good grade of synthetic hair, I'm assuming, because it took a curl, As you can see here, I did test that side. This is a clip of me actually testing the crimper on the hair before I started to do the whole head. And of course, at the top, I did put a little bit of foundation in the middle to kind of give it like a fake scalp kind of look. And it did have a little small piece of lace in the front, and of course I trimmed that off. And as you can see here, what I did was first I started in the front. I probably should have started in the back, but I did it in opposite direction or whatever. And don't judge my hands. I've been using hand sanitizer and washing like crazy. But anyways, so I started at the top. I would crimp it. I would kind of slide the hair over. It is very slick, very soft, very heavy hair. Like, it's a really good synthetic wig. I mean, for the price that I got it at, I just couldn't believe that this wig did what it did for the cost, And you would not believe, but this wig only cost me $21.99, y'all. $21.99. And it's doing this? I'm about to buy another one. Keep this one crimped and get another one just to have bone straight. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, for that price, I mean, you can't beat that. Like, normally you buy a wig from Amazon, you're just kind of like, but this wig was the bomb, y'all. I promise y'all it was the bomb. As you can see, I'm like going down, crimping it. I do put my hand on it to kind of cool it off. I don't know if you guys ever done that with synthetic wigs. When you try to curl it, you cool it off with your hand to kind of get it to stay in its same curl pattern or whatnot. But as you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing here. So I'm just going through the crimping process. Okay guys, so this is how the wig came out after using the crimper. As you can see, it's pretty long. I just kind of took it to the side. I put some foundation in here. And yeah, kind of glued it down with my Gatsby glue spray. And I like it. It's a beautiful Amazon wig for like super low, super duper cheap. I love the highlighted looks I think the piano thing is really in right now. So definitely get you one of these. So beautiful.